Hi guys, with another video. Yesterday I had a problem with this car, and while I was driving, suddenly cooling gone all over the ground, and yeah, and I wasn't able to drive this car. So I just called the towing company, and they brought tow this car to my front of my house. Now it's front of my house, and I was checking that what is the problem, and I just find out this. Look at this. There's no cooling at all, and also while I was checking around, I saw this. As you saw, let me see the crack right there. I don't know, is it good to, right there is crack, and right here all the way, right here all the way here, but I didn't see any water here, but I saw the crack, and then I go water, it was all the way down, cooling was all the way down. I am searching that what else could be, maybe hoses. This the problem could be that it's hose too, but I find the problem anyway. This radiator needs to change, and I just want to let you know that if you have a same problem while you drive and suddenly all the cooling is it's on the ground, and yeah, you just check the radiator and hoses, and yeah, then you can find the problem. So I did same thing. I check all around the radiator, and I find the crack here. So thank you guys, thank you for watching with another video, and see you soon. Bye bye.